Trigonometry part 3. We're gonna redo what we did in the trigonometry part 2 because I made a mistake by confusing one of sine, which is consequent, and I called it sequent. So we have to redo the whole video again. So sine alpha derivative equals cosine alpha. Cosine alpha derivative equals minus sine alpha. One over cosine alpha equals secant alpha. 1 over sine alpha equals consequent alpha. 1 over cos alpha derivative, which is equal to secant alpha derivative, equals to 1 derivative cosine alpha minus 1 multiply cosine alpha derivative over sine alpha squared over cosine alpha squared, which equal to derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of cosine alpha is minus sine alpha, with a minus gonna be a plus. It's a plus sine alpha over cosine alpha multiplied by 1 over cosine alpha, which is equal to tangent alpha secant alpha. One over sine alpha, which equal to consequent alpha. 1 over sine alpha derivative, which equal to consequent alpha derivative, equals to 1 derivative multiplied by sine alpha minus 1 multiply sine alpha derivative over sine alpha squared this is equal to minus cosine alpha over sine alpha multiplied by 1 over sine alpha, which equal, this is consequent, this is minus contingent, so it's gonna be minus contingent consequent alpha. Tangent alpha derivative equals sine alpha over cosine alpha derivative, which is equal to sine alpha derivative multiplied by cosine alpha minus cosine alpha derivative multiplied by sine alpha over cosine alpha squared equals to cosine alpha squared plus sine alpha squared over cosine alpha squared. Cosine alpha plus sine alpha squared equals 1. It's equal to 1 over cosine alpha squared, which equal to secant squared alpha. Contingent alpha derivative equals cosine alpha over sine alpha derivative equals cosine alpha derivative multiply sine alpha minus sine alpha derivative multiply cos alpha over cos sine squared alpha equal to minus sine alpha squared minus, let's see, sine alpha is cosine minus cosine alpha squared, cosine alpha squared over sine alpha squared. It's equal to minus 1 multiply cosine alpha squared plus sine alpha squared over sine alpha squared. It's equal to minus 1 multiplied by cosine alpha plus sine alpha squared is 1 over sine alpha squared. It's equal to minus 1 over sine alpha squared, which equals to minus cosecant squared alpha. Yeah.